Good morning, everyone. Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So we are right outside Target, so I'm going to take you guys in, share with you guys the best deals at Target. But before I get into that, I just wanted to go ahead and shout out my girl Nicole from the Couponing Queen of Columbus. So backstory, we were going to do a CVS haul together, but then I realized we're 3 hours apart from each other, so it's really hard for me to bring early activation. I was the one who reached out to her and said, hey, let's do a CVS haul. But you know, me with the numbers, I really wasn't thinking, obviously, of the time zone. So she went ahead and posted her CVS haul yesterday. And Nicole is actually one of the only CVS couponers I actually watch, because I find that with CVS couponing, it gets really repetitive. So I really pick and choose with the CVS couponers that I actually watch, and I will sit down and watch Nicole because she is so consistent. Every Saturday night she has her early activation haul, and she's the girl you want to watch because she will let you know if there are any problems going on at the register. If anything is going funky, she's the girl you want to watch because she's out there actually doing the deals for early activation. So you'll know like the day before if there's going to be any issues. So definitely go and check her out. She recently was in California in Malibu vacationing. So I told her next time she comes, we have to go to Disneyland with Ashley. So Nicole, next time you are in California, we are going to go to Disneyland together. So I'm going to leave her channel below as well as her CVS haul. So definitely go and check her out. Send her some love. Comment on her last CVS early activation video and just let her know that I sent you guys. And now we're going to go ahead and hop into Target. So my first deal is going to be on Sally Hansen. So Sally Hansen products here at Target are buy one and get one 50%. So I'm going to do two different scenarios because we have printable coupons on smartsource.com. So the Miracle Gel nail polishes, these are priced for $7.49. So what you want to do is buy two of them at $14.98. Use two of those 2-off-1 coupons from smartsource.com. So it makes them just $3.62 each after the buy one get one 50% and those printable coupons. So the next thing I'm going to share with you guys is the Sally Hansen hard as nails. So these are priced for $2.99. So what you can do is buy two of them for $5.98. Use two of those 2-off-1 coupons from smartsource.com. So it makes them $1.24 each. And let me tell you guys something. If you guys do like gel manicures, so I had a gel manicure before I went to Vegas with my husband, and that was like 3 weeks ago, and my nails are so weak from it. So when you get your gel manicure off, whether if you take it off yourself or get it taken off in store in the salon, use this stuff because I need to, because my nails are super brittle right now. They're peeling, they're breaking. So I definitely need to get some of this to give some TLC to my nails. Okay, so we have a deal on some Maybelline mascara. So this is the Maybelline Great Lash, the blackish brown. So make sure it's the blackish brown. So what you can do is you can actually price match this from Target.com. So the Target.com price is $3.39. And we have a 2-off-1 coupon from the Retail Me Not 8.4. So final cost is going to be just $1.39 for this mascara right here, which I think is a really good deal. So my store doesn't have Almay. I'm at the smaller Target. I'm at Club Target today. So the Almay thickening mascara, it is priced for $3.39 on Target.com. And we still have those 3-off-1 coupons from the Retail Me Not 8.4. So it makes it just 39 cents, which I think is a great deal. All right, so in today's video, I want to share with you guys something really cool that I received in the mail. So the bracelets made by Sashka Company, they have some specialty bracelets. So it says right here, this bracelet was hand crocheted bead by bead by skilled artisans in the Nepal Valley. Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. So the company actually employs the women of Nepal to make these bracelets. So the first one I picked out is for lupus awareness. My cousin-in-law, she recently was just diagnosed with lupus, so I went ahead and got this for her. And then my husband's brothers are both autistic, so I went ahead and got an autism awareness one as well. So I know that my mother-in-law is going to really enjoy this. So these are some great gift ideas. So I'm going to leave this company linked below because I love that it empowers women. It's helping the poverty in Nepal, and I love that it's a bracelet for a good cause. And if you are someone who actually has like a condition like lupus, it's really good to wear one of these, because if something happens and maybe you come unconscious or something, you have it on your bracelet letting people know like what you have, like if you have some sort of illness. So I think that is great too for medical purposes. So I'm going to leave a link below to Sashka and Company if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. You guys, so we have another deal on the Chic Extreme razors. So these are priced for $5.99 here at Target, and we have a 3-off-1 coupon that came in this week's Smart Source, and we have a $1 Ibotta rebate to pair with it, so it makes the razors just $1.99. And then there's also a $3 coupon you can send to your Target Cartwheel. If you don't know how to use Target Cartwheel, I have a video linked below walking you through step by step on how you can use the Target Cartwheel. So $1.99 for some razors I think is a pretty good deal. Hey guys, so we have a nice deal on some Mitchum deodorant here at Target. So we have a whopping 40% off Target Cartwheel, which is a great high value cartwheel. So these are priced for $2.99. So we're gonna do math with Gina. Comment if you like math with Gina. So we're gonna take 40% off, $1.19. 0.19. So now we're down to $1.80, and then with the $1 off 1 coupon that came in the Smart Source, it makes these 80 cents. So let me tell you guys something. I have a very dear friend named Rachel, and her dad and brother love Mitchum. So if you guys have any extra Mitchum coupons, please send them to my PO box so I can go ahead and forward to Rachel, because that is her favorite thing to coupon for her dad and brother. So let's go and help out Rachel. This music is just... Okay, you guys, so we have a really good deal on some 7th generation products here at Target. So the 37 count wipes, as well as some of these surface cleaners, and even the bigger tubs of wipes, they're buy one, get the second 20%. So the 37 count of wipes, let's just go ahead and do the math. $3.99 times 20%, 79 cents. Remember, 79 cents. Plus 3.99. Okay, so you're gonna get these for about $3.59. But what is really cool is Grove Collaborative will price match Target's deals. So also on sale is buy one, get one 20% of the Method hand soap and dish soap. So what's really cool about Grove Collaborative is they'll price match Target's prices. So all you need to do is take a screenshot of the Target price and email it to Grove Collaborative, and they will auto adjust your cart. And you can earn a free gift when you are first signing up. So I'm gonna have my Grove Collaborative link below. Do not skip on this, because you guys will get a free gift set of Mrs. Meyer's, which is amazing stuff. So if you're in the market for some new cleaners, specifically natural cleaners, definitely check out Grove Collaborative with that link below. Okay, so we have a really good deal on some Tide and Gain products here at Target. So when you buy 3, you're gonna get a $10 Target gift card. So what I want you guys to do, and what's even better about this deal, is you can use only Cartwheel coupons. You don't need paper insert coupons. So what I want you to do is pick up a 42 count of the Tides. These are priced for $11.99. And then I want you to go ahead and pick up a 42 pack of the Gain Flings. So these are also $11.99. And then I want you to pick up one of the big Downy fabric softeners. So these are priced for $9.99. So your total is going to be $33.97. We have a 3-off-1 coupon for the Tide, the Gain, and the Downy. So that's going to take $9 off. So now you're going to pay $24.97, get a $10 Target gift card back, making it $14.97 for everything, or $4.99 each. So also included in this buy 3 and get a $10 Target gift card is on the Mrs. Meyer's Clean All Day laundry detergent as well. So if you like the natural laundry detergent, you can opt to go for Mrs. Meyer's. You buy 3, you get a $10 Target gift card. Okay guys, so we have a really good deal on some Gatorade Zero here at Target. So these are on sale for 88 cents, and we have a 25-cent cash back on any sports drink. So that's gonna make this just 63 cents for one of them. So if you just wanna come in here and buy one of them, 63 cents after that 25-cent cash back on Ibotta. If you guys are not signed up for Ibotta, you need to. I have a link below. If you want to go ahead and sign up, it's free money, you guys. Like, don't skip on free money. All right, you guys, so we have another really good high value cartwheel. It's on the Sierra Mist. So my store doesn't have Sierra Mist, but all Sierra Mist products here at Target with that cartwheel is 50% off. So I'm just gonna guess and say that the 2 liters are about $1.70. So you divide that by 2, that would be, oh my God, how much would that be? I'm telling you guys, math. How did I pass I took Algebra 2 like 3 times in high school. I took Statistics 3 times in high school and barely passed. 84 cents with the 50% off Cartwheel. Okay, when U2's on, you sing. Okay, so Fiber One is on sale this week, 2 for $5. And in today's Smart Source, we have a 50% off 2 coupons. So it makes them 2 for $4.50, which I think is a good deal because the regular price is The regular price is $3.69. So I'm gonna pick up 1 box for my husband because this is what my husband goes for. And these are what I have been loving a lot. It's the Protein 1 by Fiber One. So there's 1 gram of sugar in here. I know there are some unclean keto ingredients here, but for a quick fix for me to get like my blood sugar up and me not be as hangry, these do the job. All right, so another deal I want to share with you guys is actually on the Up and Up brand cat litters. So they are buy one and get the second one 20%. So if it's time to restock on your cat litter, this is a great deal. So another high value Cartwheel we have is on the Tasty Ice Cream. So these are priced for $4.99 and we have a 40% off Target Cartwheel. So they have some really yummy flavors too. They have strawberry pretzel cheesecake crunch, chocolate caramel pretzel crunch, peanut butter s'more smash, and vanilla galaxy twist. So they have some really yummy flavors. All right, you guys, so we have some coffee deals. So these Starbucks K-Cups, these are $9.99 when you buy 2 of them. So you save $4 when you buy 2. And the Archer Farms bagged coffees, these are priced for $4.99. You save $2 when you buy 2. So you save $2 when you buy 2 bags, if that makes sense. I don't know why that was so complicated to explain, but you save $2 when you buy 2 bags. Okay, so we have a really cool deal running in the school supply section. So when you spend $10 or more in a single transaction, you're gonna get a coupon that you can use on the 24th and the 25th to take 15% off. So I'm gonna share with you guys a really easy deal to get you guys to this $10 requirement to make it absolutely free. So really good deal that you can do to get that 15% coupon on the school supplies absolutely free is with the Bic Gelosity. So my store doesn't have the 12 pack, but pick up the 12 pack because it's priced for $11.99 at Target, and there is a mail-in rebate where you can get the cost back for free. So you just go into Target, pick up the Gelosity pens, you pay the $11.99 out of pocket, but then you submit for the rebate, and then you get that 15% off coupon. So that is a killer deal to get that awesome 15% coupon, which you can use on groceries, by the way, to take 15% off your groceries for the next week, and then submit to the rebate. Another rebate that you can submit is on the 5 count. So the 5 count is priced for $5.99 here at Target. So you purchase it and then you submit the rebate, or you can go for the 3 pack. There's also a mail-in rebate for the 3 pack as well. The 3 pack is priced for $3.49, but I would not use your coupons on these, like your insert coupons, because I think that they probably will do the rebate for what you paid for it. So I wouldn't waste your $1.50 off 2 coupons with mail-in rebates. I never use coupons when it comes to mail-in rebate things because I don't know what they're going to give us back if a coupon was used. So another really easy school supply deal we have is on the Bic pens. So these are priced for 99 cents. What you could do is buy 2 of them for $1.98. We have that $1.50 off 1 coupon, insert coupon, and there is a 15% off Target Cartwheel. So that's gonna make these just 9 cents each after that 15% off Cartwheel. We also have a 75% off 1 coupon that we can send to Target Cartwheel. So that's gonna make for some really good deals on some Bic pens here at Target. And if you guys need like an idea of where you can donate all these pens, donate them to a local church, because churches will have pens to fill out their like info cards. So that would be a good place to go ahead and donate some of your extra pens if you're looking for a spot to donate. So yeah, just an idea. All right, you guys, so I have a diaper deal for you guys. So this is gonna be a mix and match deal of some Huggies as well as Pampers. So when you buy 2 marked boxes, you're gonna get a $10 Target gift card. So what I want you to do is buy 1 package of the Huggies. They're priced for $24.99, and then go ahead and pick up a box of Pampers. They are also priced for $24.99. So buy 2 of them, and then we have a $3 off 1 Pampers coupon that you can send to your Target Cartwheel, and then we have a printable $2 off 1 coupon for Huggies. So you'll end up paying $44.98. Then you get the $10 Target gift card, and you can submit $4 to Ibotta on the Huggies. So that's gonna make these just $15.49, which is a killer deal. So a few deals that I wasn't able to share with you guys in the aisles because my Target just doesn't have the stock. The Justin's almond butter, they're $1 each again, and there is a 50-cent Ibotta you can send. So it makes them 50 cents each, and these are great snacks if you need like protein, and it's really filling and great snack. So we have a 15% off sale on all Disney movies. So I think that is a really great deal. And while we're mentioning Disney, if you use your Target Red card to purchase gift cards for say Disney and Starbucks, you save 5% on those gift cards, which I think is really great. You also save with Uber gift cards as well. And there are some killer deals on some Apple products. So the iPads, the smallest version of the iPad is on sale for $249.99. That's a whopping savings of 80 bucks. These back to school deals on electronics are really good. So I'm gonna leave a link below to the Apple products in Target.com if you guys wanna go ahead and shop Target.com. Also, there's a great savings on the Apple Watch. So you're gonna save $80 this week on the Apple Watch as well. So I'm gonna have all of that information linked below for you guys. So these are all the deals I have to share with you here at Target. Make sure you go and check out Nicole, the Coupon Queen of Columbus, and see what she picked up in her CVS haul this week. So I want you guys to also go and check out Sashka Company and check out their bracelets because they have some beautiful bracelets and they're all for a great cause. So I want to thank you guys all for coming back this week and watching my Target in-store video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you are new here, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.